settings, so riders can dial in the exact level of control they want. The slide control system, the first of its kind on a production motorcycle, comes directly from the YZR M1. If the gyro sensor detects too much yaw while accelerating during hard leaning conditions, the ECU will step in and control the engine power to reduce the slide. This too can be adjusted by the rider. A lift control system detects front to rear pitching rate and enables the ECU to reduce front wheel lift during acceleration with a total of 4 settings. In a race, the rider who starts fastest often finishes first. The R1M's launch control system provides 3 different settings to regulate engine speed and power output, achieving the fastest possible standing start. The R1M's quick shift system cuts engine power so riders can upshift without using the clutch and closing the throttle for quicker lap times, also with 3 variable settings. Power delivery mode, similar to the earlier D mode system, lets the rider choose from 4 settings of throttle valve opening rate in relation to the degree of throttle grip opening to best match the riding conditions. Finally, the Yamaha Ride Control System allows the rider to fine-tune each of the systems easily in the meter using the handlebar scroll wheel, power mode, traction, slide, launch, lift, and quick shift, and then save those settings as one of 4 optional presets.
The number one thing I look for in a motorcycle, heck, any competitive rider looks for, is front-end feel. That's the key to fast lap times. As important as engine power, and Yamaha came up with an awesome solution for that.
The R1M features a highly advanced Öhlins electronic racing suspension. The suspension control unit receives data from the inertial measurement unit, then adjusts the front and rear compression as well as rebound damping for optimum suspension performance. The system comes with 2 modes. Automatic mode continuously adjusts rebound and compression damping as you ride, providing ideal damping force for the track or the street, and can be fine-tuned to the rider's needs. The manual mode allows riders to fine-tune the settings they choose, then hold these settings while riding.
When you put it all together, the electronics, the Öhlins suspension, and that R1 engine, this bike just surpasses the competition. It's easy to set up the way I like, easier to ride fast. And this R1M, it just takes the game to a whole new level.
The R1M features a thin film transistor LCD meter with brilliant color for precise monitoring of all vehicle systems, including front brake pressure and fore-aft G-force, making it easier than ever to take the bike to its limits. It features both a street mode as well as a track mode that focuses on information more important when on a track, such as your YRC settings, a zoomed-in view of the tachometer in the upper RPM range, lap timer with a best lap and last lap feature, gear position indicator, and speed, just to name a few. All new LED headlights are both lightweight and compact, allowing for a more aerodynamic design and layout of the front face. And all new LED front turn signals are integrated into the mirrors for improved aerodynamics. Another feature exclusive to the R1M that takes electronic control to an all-new level is the Yamaha exclusive communication control unit. The CCU allows riders to communicate with the vehicle via Wi-Fi through Yamaha's exclusive Y-Track smartphone and tablet app. The onboard system is comprised of the CCU and GPS antenna. Running data can be recorded via a data logger, with the course mapping and automatic lap timings managed by GPS. This data can then be wirelessly downloaded to the Android or iOS app, where you can study it and even make setting changes to later upload to the R1M. This Yamaha exclusive Y-Track system gives you an all-new connection to your machine that has never been seen outside of the factory race pits, further blurring that line between production superbike and MotoGP bike.